shape would be.
Like our mum's head was really lumpy, wasn't it?
Idea came from we lost our mum back in February to breast cancer, and she said she can handle being ill. What she can't handle is people looking at her with no head. So I said if you have to go for a chemo and it all gets lost, then I'll be shaving mine off. So that's where the idea's from.
It's quite a radical step. I mean, you're raising money as well, aren't you?
I am, yeah. We've raised about £900,000 so far, so the breast cancer campaign. So it's all going really well.
And if people want to get in contact with you, how can they get in contact?
We have got a link on the breast cancer campaign site. I can't think what that is off the top of my head.
Breast cancer campaign website and then to Tribute Fund, and they can find her mum's name, which is Jane Hayden, and make a donation online, or they can just make it direct to breast cancer.
Well done, thank you very much. Where's Elliot? How's it looking, Ellie? Looking good. Do I look like Uncle Alex yet?
Ellie. Come on this side. Got more than you.
Thanks, sis. That's a brush.
Puzzle. I think she should play a bit of puzzle with the back. Yeah.
For the second year, students at Blue Springs High School shaved their heads to help raise money for children's cancer research. 25 people signed up to participate this year, including one school administrator. Blue Springs High School raised over $5,500 to support St. Baldrick's Foundation for Children's Cancer Research.
These specific shavers or shavees today, Rendon and Ida together have raised almost $1,500. So that alone almost reaches a week.
No, I'm not scared.
Are you excited?
I feel like it won't hurt me or her. And yes, I am excited, extremely.
Right. How do you feel?
So excited, but actually it's going to happen now, so I'm a little bit nervous. But take it off. It needs to go. It needs to go. In tree hugging hippie theory, cutting your hair off is letting go of the past.
she doing her hair? Why is she bald? Has she got some braids? Whatever. She must call herself brand
Hi, Jason.
Okay, so we started with this, and we ended with this.
Oh, nice, Jazzy.
So I've given Jazz a bit of disconnection, taken out quite a bit, undercut through the back, just make it really easy for her to maintain it, and she looks gorgeous.
She does.
She can wear it like a rock star, or she can wear it more conservative when she wants to be more business, professional.
Yeah.
But today
I'm not
she's
sure
rock
that I'm
star.
very professional.
Yeah, today she's rock star. She's. Yeah.
No, I haven't seen my hair yet.
Are you excited to see it?
I
Alright.
stopped moving so Jason can do his job.
This is a big unveiling. You
I've never
can't
had my
hear
hair
it,
this
no
short.
mirror.
Oh, okay.
Jazzy's never had short hair.
Oh my god! Oh, it's intense! What? That's a I need to start playing with it. It's the best thing. That is awesome. Quick, I need like a mirror at the back or something. That is the coolest thing ever. Oh, give me a hug. Oh my god, you're a legend. That's amazing. Oh, I'm freaking out. I can't get my hands to. Oh.
I'll blow dry more to that side, so blow dry the other way.
That, I love it. I love it. Spin.
Yes. Oh.
Volám sa Lucia, mám 24 rokov a k Simonovi som sa prihlásila preto, lebo už vyše pol roka rozmýšľam, že čo spraviť s vlasmi, aký strih, aký účes alebo tak. A keďže som na nič múdre neprišla, tak som prišla sem, nechám sa zveriť do rúk odborníkom, uvidím, čo z toho bude. Sama sa teším, že vlastne ako to dopadne.
Ľudská je študentka, aktívna, jazdí na mopede. Žiadala sa jej zmena, povedala, že pokiaľ jej to pristane, tak môže mať úplne krátke vlasy, tak dobre teda. Tak som jej spravil taký extravagantný krátky účes. V podstate tento rok je taká doba, že krátke sú in. Tento typ účesu určite nie je vhodný pre zamestnancov bank, právnikov a podobných, proste, kde sa vyžaduje naozaj nejaká taká konzervatívna poloha. Tiež nie je vhodný tento účes, keď proste sú vlasy veľmi jemné, prípadne rečie, lebo viac menej na tej dlhšej strane by zostali len také fúziky, ktoré neviem, či by boli zrovna pekné. Takže tento taký, že aktívny účes pre aktívne ženy som sa rozhodol dotvoriť farbou, takou živšou, lebo ľudská má takú svetlo-hnedú s popolavým nádychom, takú šedivú, povedal by som. Čiže volil som tam taký špinavý blond, jemne do medena ladený, s tým, že vlastne tú dlhšiu stranu, tam som jej spravil kúsok melíru, nech to není také úplne jednoliaté. Čo sa týka úpravy tohoto účesu, stačí umyť, nemusí to vôbec fúkať cez nejakú kefu, lebo bolo by to asi kontraproduktívne, si myslím, že by to narastlo do takého nejakého väčšieho objemu, ktorý tam nie je veľmi žiaducí, skôr by to malo byť niečo také prirodzene vysúšené a len dotvarované gelom, prstami. A to je v podstate celá úprava tohoto účesu.
No, so zmenou som veľmi spokojná. Prišla som sem s tým, že chcem zmenu, čo môže byť čo aj najväčšia. A to teda je, si myslím, že dosť veľký rozdiel. Potrebovala som takých 5 minút na zvyknutie, ale že to super, strašne sa mi to ľúbi. A už proste som strašne zvedavá, čo na to všetci teraz povedia. Som zvedavá na to, ako bude reagovať okolie, lebo neviem si teraz ešte predstaviť, čo mi na to povedia, tak som strašne zvedavá. Myslím, že budú ľudia, ktorí budú veľmi prekvapení, že som išla až takto nakrátko, ale dôležité je, že sa to páči mne. Aj tak.